The OnePlus 15 comes with one of the biggest batteries we've ever seen in a mainstream flagship phone. It packs a massive 7300 mAh battery, thanks to the new silicon carbon battery technology. On paper, that sounds incredible. It's almost double the battery size of something like the iPhone 17. But specs don't always tell the full story. So I decided to use the OnePlus 15 as my main phone for 5 straight days and track the real battery life numbers. Before jumping into the results, it's important to understand why this phone is such a big deal. Silicon carbon batteries are allowing manufacturers to fit much larger capacities inside slim devices. In China, brands are already pushing close to 10,000 mAh in some phones. Compared to older OnePlus models, the jump is huge. From the OnePlus 11 to the OnePlus 15, the battery capacity has increased by more than 45%. That's a massive leap in just a few generations. At the time of testing, my OnePlus 15 was at 100% battery health. I used it like I normally would. That means social media scrolling, web browsing, watching Netflix and YouTube, playing a few games of Hearthstone, and spending way too much time on Discord. I also used it as a hotspot for most of the day, which is important because hotspot usage drains battery faster than regular browsing. So this wasn't light usage at all. Over 5 days, I carefully tracked my screen time and battery percentages. Now here are the real numbers. On average, I got 6 hours and 11 minutes of screen time per full 100% charge. If we break that down further, I averaged 4 hours and 57 minutes of screen time per 80% of battery. And for every 10% drop in battery, I was getting around 37 minutes of screen time. What really stood out was that I couldn't fully drain the phone in a single day. Even with hotspot running in regular use, the OnePlus 15 comfortably lasted a full day. In fact, there were a couple of days where I went to bed with around 50% battery left. Technically, I could have skipped charging overnight and still made it through half of the next day without any stress. That's impressive, especially considering how demanding hotspot usage can be. However, here's where things get interesting. Despite having such a huge battery, the real-world difference compared to other flagship phones isn't as dramatic as you might expect. For example, compared to results from the iPhone 17 Pro after 5 days of testing, the gap isn't massive. Yes, the OnePlus 15 lasts longer, but not in a way that feels twice as good, even though the battery size is almost twice as large. This just proves that battery capacity numbers alone don't tell the whole story. Software optimization, processor efficiency, and display power management all play a big role. A bigger battery helps, but it doesn't automatically mean double the endurance. That said, the OnePlus 15 is still a battery beast. The fact that I could use it heavily, run hotspot for hours, stream videos, browse social media, and still not worry about charging before the end of the day is a huge win. For people who travel, work remotely, or just hate carrying a charger everywhere, this phone offers serious peace of mind. The move to silicon carbon batteries clearly works. We're seeing larger capacities without making phones thicker or heavier. And while companies like Apple and Samsung are still catching up in this area, it's clear that bigger batteries are the future. Apple is reportedly exploring similar technology, and Samsung is experimenting with solid-state batteries in wearables. So the competition is only going to get better. After 5 days with the OnePlus 15, I can confidently say this phone delivers strong, reliable battery life. It's not magic, and it doesn't completely redefine endurance, but it does make daily usage stress-free. You charge it once, use it normally, and you don't think about it again until the next day. And honestly, that's exactly what great battery life should feel like.